This year I celebrate 30 years of my own business as well. So I know what it's like to go through the hard yards and prosper at the end. So, you know, you have an absolutely fantastic building. I've driven past here a number of times and had a look at it. So congratulations everyone, and I wish you all the best for the future. Thank you.
The success story of VEGA in Australia started with a new representative we had. It's called Sencon. And Sencon was more or less two people, Robert Sterling and Les Richards. They founded our roots here in Australia. Here in Australia, we sold in the first year more than 1,000 pieces. This was the biggest success of this instrument we had worldwide.
Everything we are doing is in a partnership. So we are interested in long-term relationships, long-term partnerships. That's what you see here with the building. This is a long-term investment, and it's worth to do it, and it was brilliant done.
I'd like to sort of invite everyone now to, go out and explore the building, see what 4.5 years has brought to us. And again, thank you everyone today for giving up your time and coming along. And welcome to VEGA Australia. Thank you.
So here it is, the end of a very long project for you.
It has been a long project, 4.5 years, but an enjoyable result in the end. More than happy with the building. Like I said earlier, it's a team of people that do this, not just me. And I'm forever grateful to the team that worked with me. I sat with Mr. Grishaber in Germany in 2016, and we talked about a 25-year plan. And this is the 25-year plan, for us to grow. We don't know what's going to happen in the future with the direction of where we head, but hopefully we've got some things in place that allow us the flexibility to do that.
Hi Sharon, Scott Philby from Industry
Scott.
Update.
How are you?
I'm well, how are you?
I'm well, thank you.
Tell me, what do you think of the new VEGA building?
I love it. It is beautiful. It is a very nice new home for VEGA, designed for expansion and growth in the future, but a beautiful place to come to work.
The thing that stood out to me was when I first walked into the place. The first image, the first impression you get is just like, wow, it's fantastic.
I think the best thing about working with VEGA is that it's still a family-owned company, but it's a global company.
Gunter Kesch from VEGA in Germany. You had the honour of cutting the ribbon to open the new building here in VEGA Australia. Your impressions?
It's an emotional thing to do, cutting the ribbon. It's a new time which is starting now. Being in such a nice building for an employee must be really a nice thing.
This, obviously magnificent building, magnificent warehouse, the whole thing. Really, you can see VEGA Australia growing quite dramatically.
First of all, the basis to grow means the people working for VEGA should feel comfortable, well respected, and this is what we do with the building. And then the efficiency increases and the people like to work, the people like to be successful, and then it goes on its own.
Paul Gunter, thank you very much.
Pleasure.